As we know that today our chief guest is Dr. Kanhaiya Tripathi ji. I would like to tell you about Dr. Kanhaiya Tripathi is professor at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University, Ayodhya, and former OSD of His Excellency the President of the Republic of India. He has awarded the Gandhi Nobel Peace Prize 2020 on behalf of Gandhi Peace Foundation, Nepal. Dr. Tripathi has been given this award for his work on Gandhi and peace. Dr. Tripathi has received several awards and honors from several institutions, including its first Population Communication International, New York, Central Educational Planning Unit, and first prize of Directorate General of All India Radio, Creative Writing Award from National Human Rights Commission. So far, more than 30 books of Dr. Tripathi has been published. Being honored with the Gandhi Nobel Prize is a matter of pride for the university, family, as well as in our India. He will be given this award at an event of Gandhi Peace Foundation Nepal held on in the month of June at House of London. So now I am requesting to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Kanhaiya Tripathi, please speak about our this international virtual conference on role of science and agriculture towards global food security and rural development. Honorable Dr. Kanhaiya Tripathi.
Thank you so much, Duveji, and namaste to all of you. I am very glad to participate here in this international virtual conference, a role of science and agriculture towards global food security and rural development. Thank you, Dr. Dubey sir, to giving me a chance for my view in this conference. First of all, I would like to remember Chancellor B.S. Gautam sir, Chancellor of the University, Pushpendra Gautam, Chairman of the University, and Honorable Govind Singh ji, Vice Chancellor of the University, Mr. Jamali Muhammad Al Khairi, Saudi Arabia, and Dr. Arun Tiwari sir, UAE, from UAE, and other my dear friend Grish Tripathi, Pro Vice Chancellor of the Sri Krishna University, Honorable my dear Dr. Aswani Kumar Dubey ji. This is very unique moment for us. We are discussing about agriculture and food security in India and across the world. Our food security is very necessary for life in India, and if you see other countries, you have so many problems, but there is necessity of food security. As the world population continues to grow, much more efforts and innovation will be urgently needed to order to sustainable increase agriculture production, improve the global supply chain, decrease food losses of the and wastage, and ensure that all who are suffering from hunger and malnutrition have access to nutrition food. Actually, many in the international community believe that it is possible to eradicate hunger within the next generations, and we are working towards to uh, achieve this goal. Actually, we are very aware about SDG 2030. There is goal number 2, end hunger. End hunger is our big challenge in the world. So I would like to mention here our United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres appeal to all world states heads. Please decrease hunger in your country. But if you see in India, I would like to example to mention here about India. There is a Nara slogan, means uh, Atmanirbhar Bharat. That is, as I felt that this is a joke for India, because there is no any chance Atmanirbhar, Atmanirbhar, self-dependent. Self-dependent, how can possible self-dependent if people are living with poverty and just below poverty? This is big problem for India, and I felt that this is a joke for us. And second things I would like to say here that our education policy is not very good in India. Uh, People are suffering because there is so many problems like um, internet problem and electricity. This is big problem. Uh, if you have not education and if you are not resources, you cannot achieve anything. Even the goal of SDG 2030 of United Nations. So this is big problem, as I felt that. Uh, my friends, Indian economy is very decreased and our GDP is very low nowadays. So I am very worried about that, and this is a problem for across the world, because every country is suffering with COVID-19, and they are very they have very difficult situations in the to fight uh, these situations. This is our view, and you can say different things, but as I felt that is I would like share with you. Uh, Friends, there is more than enough food produced today to feed very last one of us. Yet the 820 million people remain chronologically under nurtured, embracing of dimensioning momentum towards changing zero hunger. This is a very unique say that uh, our goal is depends upon your self confidence, but every state heads not believe in his population. This is big problem, I felt, because there is one constitution, but constitution is only our monologues or uh, uh, only book for country. This is not. rule of countries. So many people are suffering with hunger, poverty, less resources, and climate changes. Then how can possible we achieve any goal in the world in our own resources? In India, Atmanirbhar Bharat is the slogan, but this is not good for us because Manrega is a planning of Indian government. This this is provided. This planning provided to people uh, some employment for 100 days or 105 days. How can possible they survive in these situations? You can see Dhaka, you can see Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. There is no happiness because economic, economic problems and employment problem and other various problems is there. And government is not providing any help to uh, citizens. This is not good situations for our third world countries. Uh, so I would like to mention here, if our situation is very difficult and we are fighting with COVID-19 and agriculture, food security is not possible for our citizens, then uh, we can you can we can improve and we can aware to our citizens in our area uh, to achieve United Nations goals. Uh, just I would like to wish to this international conference, and uh, there is I have a big opportunity to share mm, my my views with you. I am very glad to uh, participate this conference, and I congratulate and I wish to all participants and Dr. Ulrich Work is my best friend. He is from Germany. Namaste. And I I am first time uh, meet to Dr. Arun Tiwari from UAE, and I would like to appreciate your participation, and I congratulate to Chancellor of the university. Uh, just I have given some key points, and I think you have a lot of knowledge, and you are all intellectual personality, and you will share here more and more about this theme and topics. Thank you so much, Dr. Soni Dubeji, who is organizing this multifarious conference on agriculture and food security. And thank you so much. Thank you. And I will hear to all participants and our chief guest, our special guest, and our invitee. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Namaste.